Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called reverse vowels of a string. Let's read it. Given a string S, reverse only all the vowels are in the string and return it. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and they can appear in both lower and uppercase more than once. Right. So the problem is straightforward. We've been given this string ice cream and we need to return the vowels in basically we need to reverse the vowels which have been occurring in the string. So for example, so the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? And if you see here, so the first, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So this is I, this is E, this is E, this is A, right? So we have four vowels in the string, right? I, E, E, A, right? So we just need to reverse them. So which means that this A will come here. So A will come here, right? Actually, this is uppercase. And then E will come here, right? So E will just be there on itself, and C will be there, and E because E has been replaced here, right? And then instead of A, I'll get the I. So I will come here and then M. So that's the idea. The vowels needs to be reversed from the first position to the last position, and on reversing the vowels, we get the string. We need to return that string, right? So how we can approach this is quite straightforward. We can maintain like a kind of a set, or even just we can maintain two pointers, right? So one will be at the start and one will be at the end, right? So what will each one of them doing? So ice cream, right? So the first pointer and the last pointer will be iterating through the string from left to right and the other one from right to left until it reaches to a vowel, right? So until the both of the pointers reaches to a vowel, I just keep on iterating in towards each other, both of the pointers, right? So I will be iterating from left to right, J will be iterating from right to left until it hits uh, basically a vowel, right? So that is the idea. Until they hit the vowel, once they hit the vowel, I'll just swap the characters and just return just keep on continuing that until ing meet each other, and that's when we return the string. Let's code it to see if everything we've discussed so far, we can jot it down. Hi guys, so let's get to the coding part. So as I said, there will be two things that we'll be doing is we'll be maintaining two pointers, so I equal to 0, and basically j will be s dot size minus 1, right? And I'll be just iterating through basically uh, the string, so while I is less than j. So I have a couple of options here, right? So one is to basically go from left to right, and the other one is from right to left, right? And yeah, I just need to keep on iterating till the point I reach to a what do you call, like a vowel, right? So while, or I can use this. So in I equal to s dot find first of, right? I think this is basically um, like this is basically a function in C++ STL library, which is for getting the first index of the occurrence of this particular string. So I can have A, E, I, O, U, or I can have A, E, I, O, U in caps, and I'll just have that. And J will be basically, yeah, this needs to be removed, by the way. Yeah. So find last of A, E, I, O, U and A, E, I, O, U. And yeah, that's going to be that. And then I just check if I is, less than J, then I just swap the S of I plus plus and S of J minus minus, right? And yeah, in the end, basically, I just return the S value, right? Uh, so instead of this, what I did here was utilize an STL library. I could have just also run a while loop from left to right. So I plus plus, I just keep on doing I plus plus until I hit the characters as A, E, I, O, U. Like I can just add it as a condition of the while loop and keep on doing I plus plus until I hit the character which is a vowel. Similarly, from right to left, I can iterate until I hit the character, and that would be it. Like it would be the same as I using this STL function, right? So that is the idea. Let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. It works. Right? So this is giving a time limit exceeded. Right. So I think is equal to J is going to give us the time limit exceeded. But yeah, that works. Cool. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you so much.